you got?
Oh, we've got a treat for you. Of course, Thanksgiving is this Thursday, and you're probably thinking about what kind of pies we're going to make. So how do you make a classic pecan pie? Chef David Bondarchuk from Scratch Catering is here with us this morning to make this. Now, first we have to put this burning question to rest. Is it pecan or pecan to you?
I say pecan.
I do too.
That is how I've always said it.
Okay.
So that's how it is. And before we get started, my friend Amber's daughter Esme's birthday is today. Happy birthday, Esme.
Okay.
And now here we are to pecan pie.
Okay,
so
this is what it's going to look like in the end here.
Absolutely. So it comes out of the oven, or it goes into the oven very easy. There's not a whole lot of mess to this. So right into the bowl, the first thing I do is I've got 3 large eggs. And you're just gonna do a light whip on those because you don't want to bite into like a whole bunch of egg, right? Next thing is we've got 1 cup of light corn syrup. Please do not tweet me at Scratch Catering. We can't do high fructose corn syrup. I'm not interested in those tweets. It's Thanksgiving. Next thing we have our flavoring. 2 tablespoons of Maker's Mark bourbon. 1/3 of a cup of melted butter. 1 cup of light brown sugar. I always use the light Karo syrup and the light brown sugar, not all of the dark. I just think that with all the dark, it just makes it too rich, too like, you know how like when you bite into it like a candy bar and you get like that tickle on the end of your nose, it's just too sweet. I don't like that.
You know, I was telling you, my Mimi is in town from Mississippi, and she makes a mean pecan pie, and she does use the Karo syrup. I'm going to have to double check. Does she use the light or the dark?
Perfect. So now that I've got this all mixed up, I'm going to add a little bit of salt here. This is a ½ teaspoon of kosher salt. That just kind of cuts the sweetness. And I've also got some pecans that I mix in here. Now, the pecans that I mix in there is only about like ½ a cup, 3/4 of a cup. You're just going to pour this right into an unbaked shell lined in the pie tin, all right? And now to get that beautiful top, Kim, we take these whole beautiful pecans and I start on the outside and I just lay them right on the top. And you just go, if you drop them in, the more nuts for the nutty is what I say, at least around my house.
All right.
So you just lay it down. There
Beautiful.
You go.
And then it comes out looking like
Yep,
this.
bake it at 350 for 1 hour, and that is how I say Happy Thanksgiving.
All right, well, we will dig into that in just a bit. Thanks so much. The recipe will be on the website. Over to you guys.
All right, thanks very much.
Looks delicious.